If you're looking for a way to teach Key Stage 2 children all about how to practice food hygiene and safety in the kitchen, be it effective hand washing or how to safely use a kitchen knife, Twinkl Teacher Miriam has created a lesson video that will be a massive help to your learners. Here's what's included in the lesson.
Contamination occurs when contaminated food or surfaces come into contact with non-contaminated food. Wash fruit and vegetables to ensure they are clean before consuming them. The heat kills any germs that could be present.
Now it's time to test your knowledge. It should take you about 20 seconds, about the same amount of time as singing Happy Birthday twice. Pause the video now to give it a go. You must tie up your hair, wear oven mitts when taking out anything hot from the oven. Our first chopping method is called the bridge method.
This lesson is a great resource for children to constantly return to refresh themselves on the importance of being safe around the kitchen. The video examples of food preparation, hand washing and kitchen knife skills are an extremely useful resource for the school or home. The quiz makes for a fun homework task, and the lesson itself is a wonderful starter or refresher before some time spent making a mess in the kitchen. To watch our lesson videos, simply search for Twinkl Teachers before selecting your subject and key stage. Alternatively, you can scroll down on the Twinkl website and select online lesson videos. Now you can browse our growing collection. I really hope you find this lesson useful. Thank you for watching and join us again soon.